Hi guys, it's my privilege to introduce one of India's best certifications in performance and competency development. This is the program called Certified Performance and Competency Developer. We are about to start the 30th batch. It's got a great feedback with a 4.88 rating out of 5 and it's SHRM recognized. I would invite you to have a look at the program, the pricing, and see this for yourself, including some of the feedback. I hope you enjoy it and I hope to see you in the program.
Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are diving straight into Middle-earth HR's Certified Performance and Competency Developer Program. You'll hear it called the CPCD. We're going to map out exactly how this 3-month journey acts as a massive accelerator for your HR career.
Let's kick things off with a pretty crucial question. Are you just reading the new HR manual, or are you actually the one writing it? Because look, we aren't here to sit around and debate outdated theories. This is all about you becoming a facilitator of real, measurable change in your organization.
So, here's our roadmap. We'll start with the overall CPCD transformation, then break down Month 1 on core competencies, Month 2 on HR tech skills, Month 3 on AI and HR, and wrap up with guarantees, logistics, and your certification.
All right, Part 1, the CPCD HR transformation. This is all about building high-impact leaders. Before we get into the nitty-gritty modules, it's important to realize you aren't doing this in a vacuum. You're actually plugging into a vibrant global community of over 30,000 alumni spread across 5,000 organizations. That means instant access to support, networking, and real job referrals.
Moving on to Part 2, Month 1. This is where we lay the foundation with core competencies.
You'll kick off your journey by mastering a seamless 6-module cycle. We're talking everything from system architecture and balanced scorecards to competency frameworks, 360 feedback, bell curve normalization, and performance improvement. It literally gives you a completely closed-loop system for managing talent from the ground up.
And, in Module 3, you unlock a serious HR superpower. It's called BARS, Behaviorally Anchored Rating Scales. These tools let you accurately map functional and behavioral skills with absolute precision. So yeah, it completely stops the guesswork when you're trying to figure out talent fit. Then, by the time you hit Module 6, you'll be deploying PIPs, or Performance Improvement Plans, alongside Personal Development Plans. These aren't just HR buzzwords. They're structured frameworks designed to actively turn struggling employees into absolute star performers. Okay, Part 3. Let's look at Month 2, HR Tech Skills, which is all about building your personal arsenal.
Once you have those basics down, the program gets super personalized. You get the flexibility to choose one of 6 dedicated 6-week tech paths. Whether you want to be a certified LMS manager, a Tableau analyst, or dive into payroll or HRMS, you get to master the industry-standard software that specifically fits your day-to-day job. Which brings us to Part 4, Month 3. This is AI and HR, basically your new superpower.
You really peak in this final month. This timeline shows a rigorous 6-week structure where every single week gives you a main session, doubt clarification, and a hands-on project that secures your certification. You'll escalate from understanding the large language model landscape and prompt engineering straight into hyper-specific applications like performance AI, analytics, DEI initiatives, and L&D curriculums.
Applying these generative AI concepts is honestly a literal game changer for your daily workflow. Imagine running complex analytics or developing entire curriculums in a fraction of the time it usually takes.
Finally, Part 5. Let's wrap up with the guarantees, logistics, and your certification, basically your next steps.
So how do we make this happen? Well, the program is highly accessible globally. This breakdown shows incredibly transparent pricing across different currencies, whether you're using Indian rupees, UAE dirhams, or US dollars.
And because we know life happens, especially for busy professionals, your investment is completely de-risked. You get 4 awesome learning guarantees: 1-day reschedule notices, low-cost replacements in week 1, the ability to request a faculty change early on, and you can even seamlessly switch between instructor-led and blended modes.
You'll walk away with a globally validated certificate recognized by SHRM for learning credits. So, if you're ready to master the skills of tomorrow's HR leaders, head over to middleearthhr.com to join the network and kick off your own 3-month transformation.
I want to leave you with this final thought. As AI and big data rapidly change our industry, will you simply read the new manual, or will you be the one writing the rules? Thanks for tuning in to this explainer, and we'll catch you next time.
So I'm Sujata Singh, and I'm a participant in the CPCD course that Middle Earth HR actually has. First, when it comes to the courseware is very elaborate. It has plenty of examples, samples that will actually help me with my project work, and samples that actually help me understand the entire methodology or the concepts very well. Doubt clearing sessions have been very clear, very well managed. I think the courseware, the infrastructure support, the admin support that we've received have been seamless, very well managed. Now, when it comes to faculty, Nandita Shankar is one of the best in the industry when it comes to the kind of course that we've actually gone through. Very knowledgeable, candid, patient with us. So she took us through the end-to-end competency mapping and everything that we actually need to be able to successfully maybe implement these.
Yeah, I would love to thank Nandita ma'am. She was absolutely amazing. And thank you, ma'am, for sharing your time and knowledge with us. We really appreciated the way she made the content so engaging and relevant. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Firstly, I would like to thank Namrata ma'am and Nandita ma'am both. So this experience was interesting. I mean, I got to network with a lot of people, which I have been missing out for a long time. And along with the basics, which I studied in MBA while doing HR, I also came to learn of a lot of new things and new ways to do it. And especially when we were actually sharing our experiences with each other, that has helped me a lot to understand ki, okay, this is how also we can think. So yes, thanks to Middle Earth HR. Yeah, thank
The experience has been great. Uh, I always used to think Nitin is the best, but I think Nandita is also equally the best. So, because I have done my 4 programs with Nitin, and therefore maybe I fell in love with his teaching style. She is also very good, and the best part is she gives that kind of comfort to, express yourself and talk freely, and that is what actually makes the session very interesting, and you also feel like sharing your experiences as a result. So this was a great experience, and we hope that we cross path again with both of them. Thank you.
Yeah, definitely it was a great program, and it was my second session with Nandita, and she's superb, and she gives real examples in between, which which will make us like we were in that particular situation, and we can understand the examples, and definitely it will help us in our career as well. This program, looking ahead, how to execute all these things. Thank you, Middle Earth.